These drumsticks were grilled in the air fryer under 20 minutes. It's such an easy recipe to follow. Drumsticks are tasty part of chicken. Let's prepare them by making some butterfly cuts on them. This will help all the spices to go inside and make it really flavorful. Okay, the spices. Put all your seasoning and spices in a small bowl and give it a quick stir to combine everything. Now it goes on the drumsticks, rub it really well, and then marinate it for anything from 15 minutes to 1 hour. Finally, drizzle of olive oil around 2 tablespoons, and that's all the oil you need to make juicy drumsticks, and I promise you that. Once oil rubbing is done, put it in the air fryer basket and then it would go in the air fryer at 200 degrees for just 20 minutes. And juicy and tender drumsticks are all ready. They are flavorful and just so tasty. This is how they look like. You can prepare your dinner in just 20 minutes using this recipe. For more, please follow.